Can you hear me clearly?
Can you hear me clearly?
I'm going out now.
I'm going out now.
Let's take a short break.
Let's take a short break.
He's on his way.
He's on his way.
This place looks nice.
This place looks nice.
I'm not feeling well.
I'm not feeling well.
Please wait for me.
Please wait for me.
It's time to go.
It's time to go.
Let's talk about it.
Let's talk about it.
I forgot my keys.
I forgot my keys.
The food smells great.
The food smells great.
I need some help.
I need some help.
I dropped my phone.
I dropped my phone.
He is fixing the sink.
He is fixing the sink.
I'll be there soon.
I'll be there soon.
He is waiting outside.
He is waiting outside.
I'm almost done.
I'm almost done.
Let's try something new.
Let's try something new.
The door is locked.
The door is locked.
I'm charging my phone.
I'm charging my phone.
That's not my fault.
That's not my fault.
I'm on the way.
I'm on the way.
Let's keep it simple.
Let's keep it simple.
He left an hour ago.
He left an hour ago.
I'm sending the file.
I'm sending the file.
It's getting really late.
It's getting really late.
I missed the bus.
I missed the bus.
Let's book the tickets.
Let's book the tickets.
She left a message.
She left a message.
I can't find it.
I can't find it.
Let's walk a little.
Let's walk a little.
This coffee tastes good.
This coffee tastes good.
He's cleaning the room.
He's cleaning the room.
Let's check the list.
Let's check the list.
I like this one.
I like this one.
Don't forget your wallet.
Don't forget your wallet.
Let's sit for a while.
Let's sit for a while.
I closed the window.
I closed the window.
I'm thinking about it.
I'm thinking about it.
This is so peaceful.
This is so peaceful.
She already knows that.
She already knows that.
I'm heading out now.
I'm heading out now.
Let's leave right away.
Let's leave right away.
She wants to go.
She wants to go.
I wrote it down.
I wrote it down.
Can you check this?
Can you check this?
I need to rest.
I need to rest.
The shop is closed.
The shop is closed.
Let's stop for coffee.
Let's stop for coffee.
I forgot the password.
I forgot the password.
He didn't reply yet.
He didn't reply yet.
It's not working properly.
It's not working properly.
She's still getting ready.
She's still getting ready.
I'm saving the file.
I'm saving the file.
I'll text you later.
I'll text you later.
He fixed the issue.
He fixed the issue.
That's not my number.
That's not my number.
I spoke to him.
I spoke to him.
Let's check the email.
Let's check the email.
Can you handle this?
Can you handle this?